So I guess I have to admit that I'm a bit of a lifelong data geek, and I've always been looking for ways that you could use data and technology to reimagine products and experiences to make lives better. So it's been the golden thread through my career. I actually started out waiting around in paddy fields 5 miles from the nearest dirt road in Indonesia, creating models for governments, connecting the macro and the micro. And then that led to a long career at McKinsey, building other ecosystems, and then Discover transforming a credit card to be more consumer-centric. And of course, Google became a huge passion of mine for nearly a decade, building platform capabilities that helped us change our lives. Mattel, my mission there was really to unlock this huge treasure trove of data and insights that they had about how children play and develop, and to make that part of the entire experience for parents and kids, and to create the kinds of engagement processes that we see as commonplace in other aspects of our life. Ancestry was really all about enabling and democratizing the access to everyone's family story, but also those connections between your family history and health and your genetics, and how that helps us understand the opportunities to prevent the onset of diseases and be more proactive in healthcare. And obviously excited to be part of Flagship now, really helping advance preemptive medicine. So that's really the golden thread, is how are you willing to make leaps to reimagine? So what drove me to Flagship were two things. People first, people that are willing to see the future. They're willing to push boundaries and take unimaginable risks. And second, we're in this moment of time where technology and biology are converging, and there's this opportunity to fully reimagine how we develop new solutions and therapeutics, and not just the drugs themselves, but also the collective experience that the consumer has, so that we can actually improve outcomes for as many people as possible. So women's leadership, for me, is incredibly fundamental to how we create better results for companies. There's been so much work that shows that diverse leadership team, not just women, but a diverse set of views and experiences, lead to companies that outperform the rest. For me in technology, the reason why I've been really focused on STEM education and women in leadership is that our world is being rewritten with code. And we also have this moment of a revolution in science, particularly in biology. And if we don't have a diverse set of views in the leadership, we're likely to continue the underrepresentation in the development and design of solutions that are fundamental to all of our lives, whether it's the way we get to work, communicate, or socialize, or it's how we think about the representation of the new solutions in health. We all know of decades of underrepresentation of women in research and development and therapeutics, and this is time where we really need to ensure that we solve for everyone.